class, and this is Learning with Eri, homeschooling for preschool. Alright, so today we are learning about the weather, okay? Weather. And I want to add that before you have any lesson with your learner at home, you should have your lesson plan. Like what you will do for that day, just I like them to guide you, okay? So for today, we'll be having two classes, the weather condition and the number 1 to 10. Basically starting with number 1, okay? But for this video, I may just do the first one and the next video will be the other part. But for home school, after the first lesson, you can have a short break for maybe fruit break and take a walk with the kid. Then when you come back, you have the other lesson, okay? So making 2 lessons for the day. It could be math and general English. It could be math and maybe science, you know, or crafts. All right, so let's dive right in. Okay, today let's talk about the weather. Say hello to the people.
Hello, people.
So how are you today?
I'm fine now.
It's fine. We are fine. All right, let's look here, Eri. So what's this? Look here, please. How is the weather here?
It's sunny.
It's sunny. And here?
It's raining.
Rainy. Okay, here?
Raining.
Windy. Here?
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy. Good job. And here? Sorry. And here?
It's fall.
Snowy. Sunny, rainy, windy, cloudy, snowy. Alright, good job. Oh, high five. So let's look outside. Eri, how is the weather today? Is it rainy? Look. Is it rainy?
No.
Sunny?
Yes.
Cloudy?
Yes.
It's cloudy and sunny. Good job. Is it cold or hot? Hot or cold?
Cold.
It's cold because it's winter. It's snowy outside. Come on, high five. Good job. Now let's make the weather craft. Ready? Come on, let's face here. We're going to make it the sunny, rainy, snowy, and cloudy. So what do we need for it?
Yes.
Basically, you need a card stuff, okay? We need the hard paper. You need hard paper. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, good job. We need hard paper. For sunny, we need the yellow paper. I pre-cut this, okay, so you can prepare ahead of your lessons. Very, very important. Okay. So, Eri, where is the glue stick? Glue stick. Glue stick. Yes. All right. Sit down, please. Okay.
This is wine.
Can you please open it? Let's make sunny. Yeah, I'm going to make it the sun. All right. So put the glue round.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I help you? This way. Hold it. Round, 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 round.
Yes, I will try it.
Okay, you want to try it?
Yes.
3.
Round, round.
Round, round. And here? Down here.
Okay. Round.
That's okay. All right, that's okay. Good job. Now, we're going to close it with the lid. Good. Now, bless you. Bless you.
Okay.
No. This way.
Oh, my friend. Okay.
See, this way. We're going to put like this. Press it down. Yes. Next one, this. Here.
No, you mean to try it.
Yeah.
Push.
Press it down. Wow. We have the sun. Yeah. All right. That's the sun. Cloud. Where's the pencil, please? Pencil.
Here.
Good job. Can I have it?
Yes.
So I'm going to draw the cloud. I'm going to start to sketch. Wait. No, you're going to cut it, okay? You're going to cut, okay? Okay? Then the scissors. Where's the scissors? Yeah. And this is mommy's scissors. And this is the kids' scissors. Okay, wait, please. See, you're going to trace it. So here you can help your kid if they are not so strong with, so firm with the scissors yet. All right.
Right.
Good. All right. So we have the sun, the clouds.
Okay.
So now I want to make the snowy. Yeah. So now this is the floor, and we'll make the snow on the floor. So take the glue stick, please,
Okay.
and put it all over the paper. Apply it all over the paper.
Okay.
Yeah, baby.
Wobby. Wobby.
Rub it all over the paper. Here.
Wobby. What? Wobby. Wobby.
Good job, darling. Good job.
Ha.
Wow, this is beautiful. All right, good job. So we have the cotton wool. Yeah. So Eri, take this. Put it all over the paper. Just glue it on it. That's the snow. It's snowflakes. Snowflakes. Right? This is our imaginary snowflake. All right. Okay. Take this. Stick it here.
Okay.
Wow. Looks like the real snow. Snowflakes, snowflakes. Good job. All right. So this is the snow on the ground. Good. One more thing. What do we have to do next? Now the raining. Raining. So how do we express this? All right. So for raining, so you get a small paper. You can make the teardrop shape. Okay. You can do better than this. Make a teardrop shape, and you take you use a blue paint. See, Eri, we're gonna color this. All right, as you can see here, we made the teardrop shape on the paper, and we colored it blue to represent raining. All right, so you can have fun doing this with your child by singing the rainy season songs. Okay, ask questions. Do you love to go out when it's raining? Which is the best season? You know, talk around these as you have fun doing the crafts. Okay, that's it for this one. Raining. So we get the cardstock like this. Yes. So I made some strips, okay, with the cardstock paper for the weather condition. Alright, so here we take each of the weather conditions cut out, yes, and make two lines at the middle, up and down, using a razor or a craft knife. Be very careful. Don't allow the child handle a sharp object. So you do this yourself. All right. So pass the strip from through one of the lines and draw it out behind the other line. Repeat this process for all of the weather condition cutouts: the sunny, the rainy, the cloudy, and the snowy. Also allow the child to practice this by passing the strip through the line and drawing it out behind for the cutout. All right, see. Now let's do this together. I'm gonna put it here, pass it through this place.
Okay, pull it.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you pull it away. Then it should come out from the back. Ready? Now pull it, pull it.
Okay.
Ooh, good job. All right, that's awesome. All right, so here we get a cardstock paper and apply glue at the top and below the paper as seen in the video. Alright, so get each of the strips, then stick the tip of the strip up and down the paper in a way that the inserted cutout can move freely to and fro as seen here. Also allow your kids to practice this with you. Okay, glue it together, stick it together, and move it up and down the paper together. Enjoy your craft. Here is our weather chart. So how is the weather today? Today is, look, today is sunny, right? Look outside.
Yes, I want more.
It's sunny today, right? So push this up. Sit down, baby. Good girl. Look here.
No.
It's sunny today, so push this up. See, this way. Take it up. Move it up this stairs.
Okay.
Yeah. Today is sunny. And it's cloudy, right? Now let's move up the cloudy. Here.
I need on my own.
And is it snowy today?
Yes.
Snowy? Okay. Alright. Of course it's winter, but right now it's not snowy. So let's just push it back down. So today is So for the chart, you move up the weather condition for each day. Like today, it's sunny today, so we move this up, sunny. And cloudy, we move the cloudy up. So the next day, if it's snowy, you move this up. Snowy, just like that. If it's rainy, you move this up. So that's it. So right now we go for a short break, fruit break, and we take a walk outside. When we come back, we have the second lesson. Thank you. Yes, I gave her homework based on what we just treated. The worksheet is free, printable online, and the dot-to-dot tracing helps with pencil control activity as well as painting.